In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out a Word document on Microsoft Sharepoint. This process is essential for managing document collaborations and ensuring that no one else makes changes to a file while you're working on it. By checking out a file, you essentially reserve it for your own edits, preventing others from accidentally modifying it. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this efficiently. First things first, you'll need to open a web browser of your choice and search for Microsoft SharePoint. Once you've found the relevant link, go ahead and click on it to access the SharePoint platform. You'll notice a sign-in button at the top right corner. Give that a click as well. It will prompt you to log in. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're automatically signed in. If that's the case, fantastic. You're ready for the next step. If not, simply enter your email address associated with Microsoft 365 when prompted, followed by your password. You'll then gain access to your SharePoint account and be able to proceed. Now that you're successfully logged in, navigate to the SharePoint document library that houses the Word document you intend to check out. This library might contain numerous files, so take a moment to locate the specific document you're interested in. When you've found it, you'll have the option to select the document. You can do this by clicking the checkbox beside the file name or simply by clicking on the file name itself. By selecting the document, you're setting yourself up to check it out. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar located above the list of documents. Look for an icon that resembles 3 vertical dots, which is often referred to as the More menu or ellipsis icon. Once you click this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, select Checkout. This action essentially gives you the lock on the document, allowing you to edit it exclusively without interference from others. To confirm that the document has indeed been checked out to you, look closely at the file name. You'll notice a small icon that indicates the document is locked for editing and checked out to your account. This icon assures you that the document is now reserved for your edits. And there you have it. You've successfully checked out a Word document on Microsoft SharePoint. By following these steps, you can ensure that your edits remain intact and uninterrupted, maintaining the integrity of collaborative work. Remember, once you're finished with your edits, you'll want to check the document back in. Happy editing!